Yes, Sita Lakshmi ma'am, you can start.
Okay. Respected principal, my dear friends, good evening everyone. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, very well.
I welcome you all for the day 13 course series Collaborative Learning Tribe by Agram. Today we are going to see one of the major important problem of the current scenario. As the world moves so fast and so we are, and that's the biggest reason why we at times forget even to take care of us and get so many new diseases every day. So in this topic, we are going to see how we are going to heal ourselves through chai technique and the theta healing. So the session is named as New Me. The topic itself is made us so very curious to learn a lot about it. And so the presenter of this topic, New Me, is Mr. Vijay Karthik, the Department of Biology, IIT staff, is a very passionate teacher and a professionist who has so much love and dedication towards his subject and the profession. So I would like to welcome Mr. Vijay Karthik to take over the session. Over to Vijay Karthik. Thank you.
Okay, I think Mrs. Sita Lakshmi has done enough welcoming. I also formally invite Mr. Vijay Karthik to take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Am I audible to all?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah, okay. Good evening, one and all present here. This is the 13th Zoom meeting, and today I am going to discuss about the new me. I think after this session, definitely when you are getting it, you will definitely feel a different world. We are going to travel with the scientific reality which is happening in day-to-day life. The scientific reality which I am going to share for the next half an hour or 45 minutes, where it will be very powerful and very useful for all of us if we are learning that, and if we are very keen to learn that, and if we are using in our day-to-day life. It will be a wonderful one to us to achieve anything, as well as to cure any disease which is coming to us. That is what all this topic is about. And coming to new me, this new me, when we are learning all these techniques, and when we are learning how the energy works and how we can cure ourselves, then we are creating ourselves a new me. This is what the topic means. And now I'm going to share one video, and this is a game for all of you. This game this game is with the current situation. All of you need to watch the video, and you should say that one word will be there. What is the current situation? It is we are dealing with corona, right? And corona will be there. Corona words will be repeated again and again, and corona words will be written somewhere. You need to check all these things, and you need to say that how many times words repeated, and how many times words were written in written somewhere in that video. That is what the game is. And whomsoever they are saying the correct numbers, then you will have a surprise gift at the end of the meeting. Okay, all are ready?
Ready, sir?
Yeah, ready.
Yes, sir.
Ready,
Yes,
ready,
sir,
ready.
ready.
Yeah.
Ready.
Thank you. Revati ma'am, I can't able to share the screen and share content.
Yes, already Helen
Yes, share, sir.
I think she by
Helen
mistake
ma'am
shared.
is already.
Yeah, Helen already shared.
Can you start sharing your screen?
I think Helen ma'am is sharing.
Helen, yeah.
Helen ma'am.
Helen ma'am, you have to stop sharing the screen, ma'am.
She's there.
Helen ma'am. Helen ma'am?
No, caller number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll call his.
Can all of you able to see this?
Not yet. Not
Yes.
yet. Okay.
Now?
Some screen is there. Some screen is there. It says
The
Vijay.
video
Karthik
has not
is
started.
playing. Video is not playing.
But I am seeing that video. Are you alone?
No.
Karthik,
It can happen.
Karthik, actually, you have to start the video, open in one window, and then share that.
Sir, I spoke.
Yeah.
Vijay sir, can you share now?
Yeah, I'll share now.
Yeah.
Can you share now?
Yes, sir, you can share. She stopped sharing. I spoke.
Oh, that is fine. Now Vijay is unable to share.
Plugin handled load. That is what the message is showing.
No. Video is not yet shown.
But video is playing.
Is there any error, sir?
Karthik, you
No
are playing
error.
in another window, or you are playing in the same window without making it full screen.
Same window, Vic.
Same window. Then
No, Vijay, it's not coming.
Now, sir?
No, Vijay, it's not coming.
Okay.
You do one thing. If you have any URL or anything, you send it to Revati. She can send from her. She'll do it from her laptop.
Savitri ma'am, I'll send the video to you now.
Better try till then you go ahead.
Yeah. Ravi ma'am, I sent a video to your WhatsApp.
To my WhatsApp, sir?
Yeah, madam.
Okay, let me try again. You please go ahead. I'll just see.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right. Can you able to see the slide, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, once again, I'm welcoming you all to this wonderful scientific reality world where we can achieve anything and we can cure the disease by ourselves by having the energy from our inside as well as from the outside world. Good evening, all. What is the current situation we are facing now? All of you, anyone?
Corona problem.
Corona. Okay. How many times we are seeing a word corona, and how many times we are hearing a word corona from the news or whatever we are seeing?
Per days,
In a
1,000
day.
times.
In a day. Yeah. How
Nearly
many days?
1,000 times.
Nearly 1,000 times. How many days we are seeing? How many days?
Around
Nearly
2 months.
Around 2 months.
Around
Yeah.
2 months.
Okay. Whether it is making an impact, any
Yes,
impact
so
on
much
us, whether it
impact.
is making any impact on us.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. What is the
Whatever.
impact? Whether it is a negative impact or a positive impact?
Both.
Negative.
How it is making
Both
a
it
negative
is
impact?
negative.
Both.
Aversion.
No, how it is making a negative impact? Where it is
Fear.
making a negative impact?
Sir, getting more fear.
Getting more fear. Fear means
Yes.
what? Where we are getting actually fear? In
One is
body
a-
or in mind?
Mind.
Mind.
It's disturbing our mind.
And also
It is
health
just-
also. So if
Not
we
only
are getting
mind,
the
body too.
normal cold also, we are getting fear that corona has come to us. So it
Okay.
affects both body and mind.
Okay, it affects both body and mind. Yeah, madam. Super, madam. Super answer. Good answer. Yeah, next anyone?
Thank you, sir.
Any perception you have on corona? Anyone?
Our day-to-day routine is being affected by corona.
Madam, who is this?
It's me, Sunita.
Yeah, madam. Yeah, day-to-day
Routine.
routine is affected by
Yeah.
corona.
Yeah.
Okay. How it is affected? Whether it is affected outside your body or inside your body?
It is outside body, but the impact is inside.
Impact is inside. Okay. Yeah, Vivek, I want to hear from you anything.
Yeah.
Sir,
I think it is positive impact for the world outside, for the nature and everything. But for
Okay.
us, we are treating it as negative most often.
Okay.
And also, like our whole body system functioning, I personal experience, and I have heard from several. Whenever we hear that word, or when we are actually going under this state, we are actually getting lots and lots of health issues which were not earlier.
Okay. Health issues.
Yeah, like health issues in small, most kind of body laziness and other problems.
Okay, I'm feeling absolutely neutral. I don't feel any threat, nor I feel joyful. Maybe sometimes joyful because I have the liberty to do things that I wish, because my routine is not made, like what to say, there is no official commitment.
So sir, you are not affected with this
Really not affected
by your mind, right?
I'm enjoying this space.
Okay, but all others are getting affected in your mind, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then I will go for the next question. What is mind? What does mind do for us? What is mind actually? What does it do for us?
Mind
It makes us to think. Thinking.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thinking. Yeah.
Or
Good one.
thoughts.
Okay. Then
Mind processes our thoughts and leads us to emotions and actions.
mind processes our thoughts and leads us to actions and emotions. Emotions and actions. Okay. Sir. Anyone? What is mind? What it does?
Feelings.
Mind is a hypothetical phenomenon, so there is nothing called mind actually.
Okay. So you are not believing in mind, madam?
She said
I don't know whether I'm believing it or
Mind
not.
is actually a positive. Mind is actually a form of energy which whatever we give to it will get that returned. Like whatever you give, positive you give it, you bump it, that will come to you 100 folds, and negative you give it, it will again come back to you in 100 folds.
Yes, exactly. That's the right answer. And this is a mind. The functions of mind is create a coherence between the belief and the reality. And what is the belief that we are having? It creates a coherence. Where it creates a coherence? It creates a coherence inside our body, whatever the thought we had for the past 2 months or past 21 days, okay, that is the belief system we have. That belief is nothing but the energy which is coming from outside. Okay, how it may be a negative energy or it may be a positive energy. If it is a negative energy, our body will get affected 1,000 times. If it is a positive energy, our body will get affected with the positive thoughts and positive energy 1,000 times, which we are going, which as a biologist I will call as a placebo and a nocebo effect. And this is what the functions of mind. It creates a coherence between the belief, whatever we are believing. If we are believing that yes, corona is, we are getting affected with corona, we are having so many symptoms like this, we are having a symptoms like cold, we are having a symptoms like some other cough, and we will suddenly our thoughts will go into the mind that whether we are having corona or not. This is the thought what we had, what we are having till now for the past 21 days. But before that, we are not having anything about corona, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
True.
This is the
Only
belief.
after the lockdown it got more.
Yeah, only after the lockdown. Only after the lockdown, we are hearing the name as corona, and that is the energy where it is getting into our mind, right? It may be a mind. There are two types of mind. We will discuss it later. So it creates a coherence between the belief and the reality, right?
Yes.
The next is, this is from an US magazine, right? Where some neuroscientists, they have wrote an article about the secret of mind. Okay, and here it is underlined. We are conscious of only about 5% of our cognitive activity. Then what about remaining 95%? And this was a statement given by cognitive neuroscientists. If we are conscious of only about 5% of our cognitive activity, then what about the remaining 95%? Anyone?
We are sleeping.
Okay, then
we are unaware of what is happening.
We are unaware of what is happening. Okay, sir. Yeah, then if we are okay, yeah, I'll come to that part later. Yeah, next, anyone? Radhika ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. What about that 95%? Any idea?
Yeah, it's not aware, sir.
It's not aware. Ma'am, Ponmalar ma'am.
It might be in our pre-conscious and subconscious mind, sir.
Ma'am, yeah, come again.
It might be in our pre-conscious and subconscious mind, because whatever we feel and aware is like our conscious mind.
Okay.
And we may not aware of all the things, whatever that comes to the surface at that present minute or second, that is what we are aware of. But all the things that is inside, we may not be aware of. It could be in our unconscious mind or pre-conscious mind.
Okay, madam. Exactly. Okay. My next question is, how many of us at all time, we all know, some of us we know car driving, and some of us we don't know car driving. But the persons who knows car driving, I'm asking them, how many of you are aware 100% when you are driving a car?
Myself.
That means each and every moment, not even a single minute you are unaware. How many of you are driving a car consciously? I'm speaking about consciousness. Yeah, sir. No, you told me not. Okay. If we are unaware that we are not having a conscious in driving a car, then what made us to drive perfectly?
Subconscious mind.
Concentration.
No, the belief system actually.
Belief system. What is how it works? Belief system, how it works? Here, there is no belief system.
The subconscious
Actually, what
mind.
we think is
Concentration.
No, sir. When we are not conscious, we are not having a concentration.
No,
Sir,
the
we
car is
subconscious.
car
We
is
can
car is
switch our
more refined,
concentration, sir.
unbiased like us.
We got habituated because it's a muscular activity.
Yeah, madam.
Sir, it's a muscular activity and our attention can be divided, we call it as divided attention. So habituated muscular activity can be done without conscious awareness because, our muscles will be, so much aware of what to where
No,
to go.
instead of going for a muscular activity, I will put like this. Instead of having a consciousness, we are not driving 100% with consciousness, but we are till again we can able to drive perfectly. It is because of the program which was already done in subconscious mind.
Subconscious
So
mind.
5% of our cognitive activity that is conscious, and 95% of our activity is completely related to our subconscious mind. We are already programmed.
I cannot accept that point, sir. Can you explain it in detail?
Yeah, madam. Yeah. I'll say. We are reading so many books. We are reading so many books. We are going for a self-help motivation sessions. We are we are seeing daily motivational videos. We are reading self-help books. Robin Sharma, Deepak Chopra, Tony Robbins, all the authors who is writing well and who are already there made a mark. We are reading all of them. But why can't we able to stick on to one task, or why we are getting a failure in doing a task, and why we are working hard?
Karthik, are you speaking about you or you're telling for everybody?
No, I'm speaking in common.
So you cannot generalize. You don't know what others are experiencing, no?
No, I'm not generalizing. I'm saying that instead of doing all the activities, but sometimes we can't able to achieve what we want. Right?
We can't.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, maybe he's talking about the 99%.
I'm talking about 95%. 5% people, they are successful, right?
No, you're right. Actually, I'm just saying.
Yeah, sir.
You're asking why we are unable to do it because our we are habituated and we prefer the things which are easier, which are pleasurable, which are easy for us, comfortable for us.
Actually, like we are, as Karthik was saying, we were already programmed. So to rewrite that program, it will take a lot of time.
Yes, we are already programmed. For example, all of you know that there is a book called A Rich Dad and a Poor Dad.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is about empowerment and disempowerment, right? Sir knows well.
Yeah, good.
That empowerment and disempowerment, and there is a dialogue in Shivaji film. Rich get richer and poor get poorer. Why rich gets richer always and poor gets poorer always? You just think of in a house, in a house when a small boy is growing. For example, consider two houses. Okay, where one house is where collector is living and one house where poor people is living. And you just think of the thought what a boy which is there in the collector's bungalow and a boy which is there in the poor area. What these parents they will teach in collector's bungalow, automatically they will say that your dad is collector, you are going to be like this, we have this much of money, we are going to be like this, and all the cars will be like this, and we are going to enter into this, and we have that much of respect. All these things they will have, they will again and again, repeatedly they will say. But when we are coming to the next situation where the house is very poor, they will say all these things. We need to earn more money for that. We need to do hard work. This many hard works when we are doing, then only we can able to earn money, we can get this much amount of only this much amount of salary, we need to study well. For studying also we don't have any money, so that you need to go for work, like that. All these things, you just compare the two minds where it is growing. And science says that from the third trimester to 7 years, from the third trimester, that means the last trimester, last 3 months where the baby is in the womb, and up to 7 years, our consciousness is not there. It is completely subconscious mind is working. And from third trimester to 7 years, all the program has been feeded to the babies. All the programs. When father is saying something, a child will watch. When mother is doing something, a child will watch. That whenever the child is watching whatever the father and mother are doing, and whatever the scenario that is taking place in house, that is what it is getting registered in the subconscious mind. And here in the other situation, again the same thing. That is what up to 7 years it is getting registered in the subconscious mind. You just think it up. Conscious mind, it is a creative mind, and subconscious mind, it is a habituated mind. It is completely a habituated mind, and we are working only for 5% of our cognitive activity that is completely related to conscious mind, and 95% of our activity is from subconscious mind. So that only, even if we are not aware, even if we are not concentrating 100% on car driving, we can able to drive the car well, because it is already programmed in the subconscious mind. And conscious mind, it is not programmed. And the conscious mind and subconscious mind, it will not act similarly. It will not act similarly. It take time for subconscious mind. Immediately the information will go to the conscious mind, but to the subconscious mind, definitely it will take time. So that only this conscious mind is called as creative mind, and subconscious mind is called as habituated mind. You just think of ABCD. When a student is learning ABCD, you just think, again he will say ABC, again ABCD, again ABCDE, 100 times, 1,000 times, again and again he is repeating, he or she is repeating. Then it will get registered in the subconscious mind. Then after 7 years, or after UKG or LKG or first standard or second standard, third standard, when we are asking the child, you tell ABC, he can able to tell from first to the last and last to the first. This is the wonder of subconscious mind. Yeah, all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here is that conscious mind. It is a creative mind, and subconscious mind, it is a record playback mechanism. That is a habitual mind. Record. I'm reading this book, I'm reading that book, I'm reading all the self-help book, I'm reading the videos, but I can't able to do whatever I want to achieve. Why? It is already recorded. Your program is already recorded. When you are up to 7 years, your program is already recorded. Then what we can do for reprogram? We need to reprogram the subconscious mind and not the conscious mind. If we can able to reprogram the subconscious mind, definitely it is possible for us to change the habit. Definitely it is possible for us to heal. Definitely it is possible for us to heal from any disease. This is what, as a biologist, I believe. And I have a proof of healing. I have a proof of getting energy. Quantum physics speaks about that. For example, in physics, they will say that constructive interference and destructive interference, right? Quantum physics, it is nothing but dealing with an invisible energy which is from the atmosphere. And when we are throwing a stone in the water, when we are throwing a stone, two stones, same height at the same time, what will happen? It will drop into the water, and there will be a waves, and that waves will have a same wavelength, and it meet with the harmony. That is known as constructive interference. And when we are dropping the stone one by one, one after one, what will happen? Then the waves when it is meet, it is getting cancelled. That is what destructive interference, where the mind, it will act with the energy from the other person who is there, the positive vibes. And if we are in harmony, definitely we will have a very good relationship. Yeah, Vivek, am I correct? Constructive interference and destructive.
Yeah, absolutely true. I would like to add on with this. It is like something like this. Like everyone are singing in a tone. I mean, when we all are singing any national anthem or any kind of song, if we all sing, if 2 persons sings, the energy gets multiplied. It 1 plus 1 is not 2. 1 plus 1 is
11.
4, 11. Like how the people say. Yeah, it is like that. Like what exactly is saying. That is what the constructive interference is. And the destructive interference is, it is not only 0. We might end up getting negative also.
Yeah, it is completely negative, destructive interference. We will not have a harmony. If I can say that Bharadiyar, our Magakavi Bharadiyar, he is having more love towards human as well as towards animal. He died by this elephant. What it does, it had stamped on Bharadiyar, and he died because of that. Why here the subconscious mind or conscious mind is not working? Why the wavelength is not working here? Why the energy is not working here? Because when we are having an energy, that energy, it is not with the animals. It is having a different energy. It is having a negative vibes. It is completely having a negative vibes. That negative vibes, it is not getting, this is a destructive interference. It is not a constructive interference. So they are getting died. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is about conscious mind and subconscious mind, where our conscious mind, we are conscious up to only 5%, and our subconscious mind, it is completely of 95%. And subconscious mind, it is a record playback mechanism, and it is habitual. Already the program is acquired from the environment. But how it places something with our body. Why we are you just see that for the past 21 days or 2 months, all the medias, all the newspapers, they are trying to register corona, and it is getting registered into the subconscious mind. When we are having a cough or when we are having a cold, we are going into that, whether we will have, we are aware, we are getting a fear that we will have a corona or not. Am I right, all of you?
Yeah, true.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is because of the subconscious mind, what it is believed. It is repeatedly this information was given by the media. Repeatedly this information was given by the newspapers. All the newspapers, whatever it is. What is the problem here is negative programming of children. Really, the negative programming of children. That is how I have discussed about a boy who is growing in a collector's bungalow and a boy who is growing in a poorer area. And when we are giving a negative programming to the child, that will get registered into their subconscious mind for up to 7 years from the 3rd trimester. And this is how he will act in his future. And he will work hard. Why he need to work hard? Because his program is already registered. And you know one thing, that subconscious mind works about 40 million bits per second, but conscious mind, it works about only 40 bits per second. There is an example for this.
Sir, I have one doubt actually.
Yeah, madam.
You're talking about this getting programmed, right?
Yeah, madam.
I don't know in which aspect you're talking, like whether it is the own experience of the individual or like from the external exposure and stimuli.
From both I am talking, ma'am. Whatever, that is what I will show the slide, the next slide, then you will get to know. If external stimuli, it is playing a major role. It is what it is going to play a major role, as well as in our own belief system, which is we are getting as energy. It is also playing a role.
Okay, sir. Carry.
Yeah. What I feel is, Ponmala, you can reserve all your questions to the end. Okay, we can catch him at that time. to
Yeah,
know.
sir, but from what aspect he is talking, I didn't understand. That is why, if I'm not hearing the doubt now, I would not understand anything. So that
Okay.
is why I asked. Okay.
Okay. This is a brain where from outside and inside from outside when we are receiving the signal, where it will be sent to our inner body. Okay, when it is sent to our inner body, that means this is an environment where external and internal signals, it will enter into our brain. It is our cells. There are more than 50,000 trillion cells in our body, and whatever the signal that is received by the brain from the environment, that is how the cell will act. Cell doesn't know what is happening outside, what is the reality that is happening outside, but cell knows that what are the signals it is receiving from the brain. If it is receiving a negative signal, then between each and every cell there will be a negative signal and we will die. And if it is a positive signal, each and every cell, it will have a positive signal and we will be enthusiastic, we will be energetic, we will be highly active. Why it is doing so, like that? Because the perception, whatever the thing that is we are receiving from the environment, okay, whatever the perception that we have, that is turned as a signal, chemical signal, and that chemical signal from the nervous system, it is getting into the cell or gene, then it is getting affected. It may be for disease or it may be for anything, whatever we are receiving from the environment. See here, this slide, yeah. This environment, it controls our behavior and genes. And I'll say that so many of us, we are thinking of that we are getting disease by our genes, it is inherited. It is not, we are not getting disease by our genes. It is completely, we are getting disease by our perception. Completely because of our perception, we are getting disease. And here you can see the thing. Environment is there externally. Whatever we are receiving externally, that will enter into our mind. That is internal. And this mind, it will interpret. It will interpret with itself. That is subconscious mind and conscious mind, where it make a perception and it will send a signal. When it is sending a signal, that signal will be passed to the blood, where blood will be a nutritive medium. And it is the fate, blood is the fate that decides the cell whether to live healthier or whether to live in a sick manner. So this perception, it is passed through the nervous system and it enters into our cell. If it is positive, our cells will be positive. If it is negative, our cells will be negative. And sometimes it will cause death to us also. So that only so many patients, they are having a multiple organ failure. So completely environment and belief, they control the behavior and genes. If it is a good behavior, that means if it is positive, we will be completely positive and we will achieve whatever we want. If it is negative, we will be completely negative and it can cause death also. Why is it happening so, and what is meant by epigenetics? Epigenetics, it is nothing but epi. Epi means above, epidermis, above the skin, the dermis. This is how epigenetics means epi, above the gene, above the cell, above this gene, above the cell. It is not some other thing. It is completely related with brain. Above the cells, the brain is the government where it sends the signals to the cell, and the cell will act according to that. That is what you are thinking is translated into chemistry. Just now I have told about this. It is completely translated into chemicals. That chemicals will enter into the blood, and the blood is the fate where it decides whether we need to live positive or negative. And translated into chemistry, that will determine what you become. So thought process, whether they are going right or wrong, your thoughts are changing your biology. The biology means I'm here now. I'm not speaking about only cells. I'm speaking about whole thing, what is happening to us. If our thoughts, if our perception is right, if our thoughts and perception is wrong, okay, that is not completely taken by cells, because cells, again I'm saying, it doesn't know the reality what is happening outside the environment. It only receives the signal from the brain, and from brain it is completely from nervous system, it will enter into the blood. Again the cell will act according to that, whether it is right or wrong. And this is what Buddhists said before 2500 years ago. What we think we become, what we think we become, that is, it is already programmed from third trimester to 7 years. That is what it is going to happen. How we can change the subconscious mind by this? How we can change the subconscious mind if we are above 7 years? How we can achieve whatever we want? How we can reprogram that? That we will see in the upcoming slides. Buddha said without the mechanism, what we think we become. But now here we are having the mechanism that is nothing but epigenetics. And that is what a theta technique. You have heard about alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and theta. In maths, it is well known for the maths students. And here, what I'm going to tell is, we are undergoing 2 times in a day in a theta mode. For example, when we are, it is a technique where it will directly enters into the subconscious mind. It is a technique where it will directly enters into the subconscious mind, and we can reprogram the subconscious mind. Just now I told up to 7 years the subconscious mind is programmed, and when we want to reprogram that after 7 years, this is one of the technique, one of the powerful technique where we can reprogram our subconscious mind. How we can reprogram our subconscious mind? When we are going into sleep. When we are going into sleep, when we are walking, when we are talking, or when we are moving, we are in alpha state. And that alpha state, when we are going for a sleep, before complete sleep is delta. Before this alpha and delta, this theta will cross. In that theta stage, whatever we are thinking, that it will enter directly into the subconscious mind. When we are discussing about the procrastination session, Saravanan sir also told about plan the day before. Okay, before the day itself, you just sit in the evening and you start writing whatever you want. That is one of the technique where it can be directly registered into the subconscious mind. For example, when we are going for a sleep at 9:30 p.m., when we are writing whatever we want to do on the next day at 9 o'clock, and closing that, and when we are going to sleep, that alpha state, it will come into the theta state. When we are coming into the theta state, that will registered in the subconscious mind, and when it is getting registered into the subconscious mind, then we are going to the deep sleep, that is into the delta, where, for example, when we are writing, we need to get up at 4 o'clock. Sometimes you all may feel that is when I need to get up at 4 o'clock, and immediately without any alarm, we can able to get up at 4 o'clock. It is nothing but it is already registered in the subconscious mind. You just think of that situation. You will think of again and again the repeated sequence. Again and again it is repeated. Again and again it is repeated. It is getting registered into the subconscious mind, and without any alarm, you can able to get at that time. This is one of the powerful technique where we can directly registered with the subconscious mind, and we can achieve whatever we want. This is one of the technique. I'm not saying this is only the technique to achieve anything. This is one of the technique. And what is meant by placebo and nocebo effect? Can anyone tell this? Placebo and nocebo.
Placebo effect is like out of your positive belief, you will get, for example, we call it as a placebo tablet or something. Even though it will not work, the whole belief that we will get cure will make that person cure. The same exact opposite is like nocebo, the exaggerated negative feeling that this treatment or something will affect them negatively will make the treatment worse.
Yeah, madam. Again, we are coming to the perception, right? The belief what we have. When we are going to the doctor, that doctor is saying that you are you are having a disease, and what we will have, we will have a stress on that. Yes, I am suffering from disease. Yes, I am suffering from disease. Yes, I am suffering from disease. Nocebo effect. The doctor will tell, even when a doctor is giving up any tablet, any medicine, okay, it will not work, because your perception, your belief, you are not believing that you are not having a disease. You are believing that you are having a disease. Again and again, it is getting registered in your subconscious mind. Yes, you will have a disease. Nocebo effect. Yes, you will have a disease, and you are going to die. Because the belief, whatever it is having in our brain, that from the nervous system, it sends a signal, and this signal, it will enter into the blood, and that blood will decide. That blood, it is receiving the nocebo effect, negative effect. That blood is what it is going to decide the fate of each and every cell. And there will not be any signal from the cell. Cell will be completely in the protective mode. It is not in the fighting mode, so it will not fight. That means our immune system will not work. We will get disease. It is completely our thought. It is completely our belief. It is completely what we are believing. We are believing what doctor says, because he is a professional. When we are going for a disease, that when doctor suddenly says that you are suffering from thyroid and I am going to give medicine, and we are believing the words of, we are believing, because he is a professional, and we are taking the medicine and it is not getting cured. You tell any one of you, tell any allopathy medicine, when we are taking a medications, whether we are getting cured with that allopathy medicines. So many persons are suffering from cancer. So many persons are suffering from diabetes. So many persons are suffering from thyroid. They are taking tablet. They are going for allopathy doctors. They are meeting the doctors whether the disease is cured.
Not because of tablet, sir. Our belief that we will be all right. We think that because of the tablet, we will be all right.
Actually, the tablets will only stop, it will not make us go more worse. It will stop that effect, and it will little reduce, not completely cure us.
Okay, if it is not going worse, what is the stage of a diabetes patient? You just see any diabetes patient, they will be very fat, and they will be healthy, very healthy when they are going to meet the doctor. But when they are going and meeting the doctor, okay, after that, you just see the diabetes patient, day by day, their weight will decrease, and at last they will go for amputation, that is removing the leg, then go for dialysis, for kidney failure, then they will have a heart failure. Then after that, because of diabetes, they are not going to die. Because of heart attack, they are going to die. Whether the tablet is making a sense here?
No, they have already feed it into their brain, all those things. Like they
No,
wanna really die.
it is just a nonsense. The tablet is causing a side effects. You see, I know what is the tablet the diabetes patient will take. If we are going for a doctor, that doctor will prescribe one medicine, that is metformin, plain metformin. Then he will go for double drug. Then he will go for triple drug. Then he will go for insulin. When the patient is reaching the insulin stage, then he is going for amputation. Then he is going for kidney dialysis. Then he is going for having any heart operations. Then at last he will die. If tablet is making sense, definitely it must cure, right? Any tablet you take, any tablet. I'm not saying only for diabetes. This is how our cell will work. See, when we are under stress, we are believing the doctor's word. We are believing whatever the thing that is happening in the atmosphere. We are having we are receiving energy. We are receiving what energy? We are receiving a negative energy. We have a belief system, and that belief system, it will turn as a chemicals. And here you can see in this slide, if all these things are cells, okay, this is what we are going to see in our body. All these things are cells. Cells is nothing but a petri dish, right? When we are feeding a petri dish, that means when we are this culture medium, it is nothing but a blood. This is a culture medium. Okay, this is a petri dish, a round dish, and this is a culture medium. In this culture medium, when we are feeding a positive effect, definitely our cells will have a positive effect. When we are feeding a negative effect, that will have a negative effect. That is what we are going to see here. I'm considering this as a human, and when we are moving to the next slide, this culture medium, right? this culture medium in us, it is nothing but our blood. When we are giving a proper nutrition, that proper nutrition is nothing but without any fertilizers or without any negative, without any chemicals that is on the food. Okay, first thing, that is which is entering into the blood. Then the cellular signals, this is an important word, where this cellular signals, cell, it alone, it will not give any signals to the cell. It is receiving the signals from the brain, and whatever the brain that is believing, that is what it is going to happen to the cells. See here, signals that is directly from the brain. And protein, here I am discussing protein means it is completely related to the gene. And these two, it is causing a behavior. And when our behavior is not well, not according to what we decide, and that is known as disease. You can see here, signal and protein. Signal, it is directly from the brain, and protein. Someone feels that, even a biologist feels that we are getting a disease from genes. We are not getting disease from genes. And for that, I'm having a proof how much disease is caused by defective proteins. Defective proteins is nothing but a gene. And there is a news from Nation of Change. Gene causes less than 1% of all disease. All of you know about Angelina Jolie, right? Hollywood actress. Angelina Jolie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, Angelina Jolie, he is having a genetic related disease. That is, doctor said that you are having BRCA gene, and BRCA gene which causes breast cancer, and she removed her breast. And I'm saying that so many out of all women, 70% of women, they are having BRCA gene in their body. But why all the women are not getting cancer? Because it is not completely related to our gene. It is completely related to our thoughts, the perception, again, the belief. Whatever the signal, whatever the positive signal that we are receiving from the atmosphere, and whatever we are believing, that is how our genes and our cells will act. You can see here, genetic birth defects, it is having a random mutation. And this is a slide where these defective proteins, it will create disharmonious behavior in cell, and expression of diseases will be there. That is 1%. Again, I'm saying, so which is playing a major part. It is nothing but our thought. Why we are getting disease? Because the thought is playing a major role for getting disease, because it is what it is going to send the signal. And when it is sending the negative signal from the atmosphere, or whatever we believe from the doctors or whomsoever it may be, when we are repeatedly saying again and again, it is directly getting registered into the subconscious mind. If subconscious mind believes, yes, I am suffering from a disease, then we will get a disease. See here, interfering with flow of information from the central nervous system to cell leads to malfunctioning of all the signals, all the cells. This is what it will cause disease. One is trauma. This interfering with the flow of information from the central nervous system of cell leads to malfunctioning, which causes more than 90% of disease in us. That is human. And how can it interfere with health? Toxins. This is the cell, this round white one is cell, where the toxic chemicals, where the thought we are having a belief that we are having a disease. That means it is getting a toxic chemicals. The toxins is inserted into the blood, and that blood is going into the blood is going and passing through each and every cell, and that cell is receiving the toxic chemicals. That means nothing but a toxic signals, and there will be an altered communication. This altered communication, that means the cell, it will not have a signal. There is a distorted signal, and definitely we will have a disease. Because this is nothing but the belief system what we had, the stress from the doctors what we had. So inappropriate signals, that is again I'm coming to the thoughts, inappropriate behavior. Inappropriate behavior, it is nothing but a disease. You can see in this slide, more than 90% of the disease It is caused by trauma, that is physically, and toxins, again chemical, and thoughts, it is emotional. And here you can see that genetic birth defect, that is only 1%, and it is this signal, this emotional signal, physical, chemical signal, that is what it is going to cause stress in that, because we are believing the words of a doctor that we are suffering from a disease, and that makes a medical stress in our body, and which causes disease to us. And this is a stress affected. This is an American healthcare center which have shown how stress is affecting us. And here you can see that 75 to 90% of physicians office visits for the stress related ailments. When we are suffering from stress, definitely we will have a disease. So what is stress? Can anyone use stress and distress? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, can anyone say use stress and distress?
As per your slide, eustress is good, distress is bad. Eustress is when you like it. Distress is when you don't like it.
Yeah, sir, exactly. Eustress, we are doing exercise regularly. When we are doing exercise regularly, our muscles is getting stretched. We are giving a stress. It is a good stress. It is a good stress. It is not going to cause any disease. And distress, it is completely a bad. That is what we believe. And you can see here, this is how the cell will act if we are giving a nutrition. If we are giving, here it is this side it is nutrients, and this side it is toxins. You can see in that slide, when we are giving a proper nutrition, cell is going and getting that cell move towards the growth and signals. And when we are giving toxins, that may be from food as well as from signal what we are sending from the brain, the cell is moving away. It is not moving for the growth, it is moving away. That means here in nutrient, it is going for a growth mode, and in toxins, it is going for a protective mode. That means our immune system, it is not going to work when the cell is going for a protective mode, because we believe that we are having a disease, we are sending the toxic signals, so the cell is going to die. Here you can see there, cells cannot move in both the direction at the same time, or cells cannot be open and closed at the same time. Only one it can do. So when we are sending the toxins, definitely cell will die, our organ will die. So at our thoughts, it became translated into chemistry. Chemistry is nothing but again signals. And here a disease caused by the thought is not because of our body is defective. It is completely because the signal is inappropriate. And the signal, from where it comes from the mind. So consciousness is the primary problem in issuing regarding the health on this planet. So we can educate the conscious mind very easily. That is what I have discussed first itself, with efforts of workshops, reading, motivational videos. We can educate the conscious mind. But the subconscious mind, it learns only in two ways. The first 7 years of life through hypnosis. That means from the 3rd trimester to 7 years, the child, they are not having any conscious mind. They are having a subconscious mind. That means a hypnosis stage. And the other learning for subconscious mind is habituation and repetition, again and again, again and again. Sarah also told in so many meetings when we are gathering at after the assembly, you just tell again and again to the students, it will automatically, it will get registered into the subconscious mind of the students. When it is registered in the subconscious mind, definitely the students will do whatever we are saying. So the subconscious mind, it is a mission. It simply records data and belief. Again, the belief here, it is playing a major role. So information doesn't translate from conscious mind to subconscious mind just because you put into the conscious mind. So what is meant by CHAI technique? I have told about stress and how we are getting disease, how cells is moving towards and how the cell is moving against. This CHAI technique, it is nothing but when we are suffering from, when we are having a fever. Why we are having a fever first? Why our body temperature is getting raised? Why we are having a fever?
Sir, our body temperature rises to fight against any disease or any.
Yeah,
ailment.
madam, exactly. If any microbes or pathogens, when it is entering in our body, what our body will do, it automatically it is increasing the body temperature. 37 degrees Celsius is our normal body temperature. If it is moving up to 39 or 40, that means our body is working against the pathogen. It is because microbes, it will not survive in high temperature. That means it will get replicated only in its favorable temperature. That means below 37 degrees Celsius of our body. And what is meant by Chai technique, I already told our cells, there are 55,000 trillion cells in our body, and every day there are 3 million cells are dying, and 3 million cells are dying every day. For example, our gut, the intestinal wall, right, the gut, it will rejuvenate every 3 days. Every 3 days the cell will die and it will again divide. Every 3 days, for example, when we are taking liver, every 1 year the cell will die and the liver will be a new one. Like this only it is having. When our cell is having, when we are having 55,000 trillion cells, consider that amount. Each and every cell is having a negative voltage and a positive voltage. Negative voltage inside and a positive voltage outside. That is how much of voltage each and every cell will have. It is having 1.4 volt. So consider of 55,000 trillion cells of having 1.4 volt. 50,000 trillions having 1.4 volt. That is 700 billions. It will come up to 700 million. If we are having any disease, if we are having any ailments, if it may be chronic disease, it may be anything, right? In ancient times, our we know that so many of siddhas as well as gurus, they are doing they done a meditation. And what is the use of that meditation? They are focusing on one place. If we are having any disease on any place, that what we need to do, we need to just focus on that part alone, and we need to give a self-talk. When we are having a self-talk again and again, the belief again, the repeated sequence, where it is going to get registered in the subconscious mind. When subconscious mind believes that, yes, it is going to happen. Yes, I am going to cure. What will happen to our cell? Each and every cell which is having a 1.4 volt, it will produce an enormous voltage, that is 700 billion volts. When it is entering into as a heat for a single part, then you just think of what will happen to that. Self-combustion, heating our body by having a technique, and this technique is known as Chai technique. This is how we can heal ourselves. So if we are able to reprogram our subconscious mind and lead a disease-free life and able to attain our desires and goal, we create new me. And thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Questions?
Vijay Kate, it's me,
Yeah, madam.
Smita.
Yeah, madam.
See, actually, my father was a diabetes patient. Okay,
Yeah.
and he was taking medicines for a long time. Suddenly,
Okay.
people like you said not to take diabetes medication. It is of no use. So suddenly he stopped taking medication, sir. So that led to a heart attack. Okay, so
Okay.
finally he passed away, and the doctor said that heart attack was because of the reason that he stopped his diabetes medication.
Okay.
So I'm asking you, what
Yeah,
would be
madam.
the reason for my father's death?
Yeah. First of all, no patient will die because of diabetes. Diabetes, it is nothing but insulin which is getting secreted from the pancreas. And I told each and every part of our body is growing. And there are 55,000 trillion cells. Each and every day, we are losing 300 billion cells, and 300 billion cells we are receiving. What is this tablets will do? It will skew the insulin from the pancreas, and it will make the blood glucose level too low. This is what every tablet will do. And insulin, they will they will inject here, they will inject, there are some parts there where we need to inject the insulin. When we are injecting the insulin, that means when we are going for a insulin injection, that means food will go by this way, alimentary canal, that will enter into the stomach, then it will get into the small intestine and large intestine. But when we are injecting insulin here, it is making the food or it is making the blood directly to reduce the blood glucose level, whatever it is getting. But here, in this case, first you just search in any website or search in any book, what are the side effects of diabetes drug, whatever may be the drug. They will give metformin, they will give pioglitazone, they will give all these things.
Yes, Vijay, I can understand.
Yeah.
But even doctors say that there is no medication which cures diabetes permanently. So how to keep it under control?
No, we can cure diabetes permanently. Diabetes, it is not a disease first. It is not a disease first. In your dad's case, what happened? I'm saying that by hearing the words from others, he suddenly stopped the medication, right?
Yeah.
That should not happen. Gradually, the medication should be stopped. Because our cells already, it is receiving the medication day by day. It may be for a long time our cells is receiving. When it is suddenly stopped, what will happen? Our cells, it will not have anything. Then it will lead to death. And how hard this blood pressure is coming when we are taking a medication. When we are taking a medication for a blood pressure, what this medications actually do? It suppress the blood. For example, when a person is running, okay, the amount of blood and amount of heart rate what he is having, that will be different. And the same person, when he is not going for a jogging, when he is not going for a walking, the amount of blood pressure, the amount of energy what it is required for him, it is different. Actually, this blood pressure tablet, it is suppressing the normal blood flow to the cells. Here, the same thing happened to your dad, that when a tablet is stopped immediately, our cells is not receiving anything, and it leads to it is because of the side effect of the tablet. It is not because of the stopping of tablet.
Okay, you mean to say heart attack was because of stopping the tablets?
Stopping the tablets, that means I'm saying the tablet should be stopped, but it should be done gradually. If we are immediately stopping that, definitely it will have a consequences. That side effect, it will immediately it will show.
Okay, one more question again. Even through our perception, okay, we can cure even the bone fractures.
காலையில வீட்டுக்கு கட்டு ஸ்லோ பண்ணீங்களாம் பார்த்தேன்
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணீங்க வண்டியை அப்புறம் அப்படியே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி
Hello.
Can you get me?
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Even through our perception, can we cure our bone fractures?
For this, I will send you a video where one person met with accident where his spine was completely broken. His spine was completely broken. And after that, he went for a surgery. You have heard so many persons that with their confidence, they got cured. For example, Vikram also we can say. Vikram, he had a leg injury. And the doctors told that you can't able to walk. After that, he can able to walk because of, it is not because of willpower, it is because of completely belief. The perception, the thought, where it is getting registered. I am not saying that you don't go to doctors. You go to doctors when we are met with accident. You go to doctors when we are having a teared skin. But internally, what is this happening? You know well about Shubhas, madam.
Yeah. You mean to say we should have a positive thinking?
Completely positive belief. The energy which is there in the universe, we are attracting the energy. And that energy, you know well more than me, because in the last time of the board examination, you have studied so many books about this. How our thoughts, that is what the belief is. The belief system, when it is repeated, it will get registered in the subconscious mind. If subconscious mind believes that, yes, we can cure anything and we can achieve anything.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you.
Vijay Karthik, sir.
Yeah, who is this? Name?
Yeah. This Shruti.
Yeah,
Shruti,
madam.
sir. what you said is actually that is the bone. It is. No, I wanted to add one thing to Smita ma'am question also. Actually,
Yeah.
bone we don't have to operate at all because bone is having the capability to regrow itself. That is, we have to position it. That's all. Actually, even the doctors, they will not give any medicine at all. If at all the dislocations happens, we have to position in a particular place so that it will automatically go. Okay, that's what it is actually to the bone thing. And coming to your thing, and I wanted to ask one thing. If you are saying that we can cure anything with a positive belief, if it stop everything, the medicines and all, then why do we need all this medications and researchers? Why? What is the purpose of this? And also one more thing, you said that blood pressure, it is actually, it is taking all those, you should not take the blood pressure tablets, right? That's what you are thinking.
Yeah,
You are
madam.
saying that we should not take blood pressure tablets.
Yeah, madam.
Actually, blood pressure tablets, it is actually a myth because it is being created for with everyone. That is, there is always a controversial thing between the medication to follow allopathy or we should go for ancient medicine. Believing in these that we should not take or follow this allopathy medicine, many of them get into more trouble by avoiding these things because when you're taking, as if I'm having blood pressure, we can say that I'm having blood pressure. Okay, why the blood pressure happens? Because the fat gets deposited in my blood vessel. I have given with the medicines to stop the that is to have a regular flow of blood flow. I am not taking the tablet believing in that I will get cured, and then I'm going with my regular food habits and everything. What will happen then? Again the fat will get deposited and immediately suddenly he'll get heart attack and then it will lead to death. It is actually, it is my opinion is it is definitely it will cause a severe impact on the person. That is how even the people nowadays, the scientists, all doctors, they are saying that we should not completely avoid believing in all those ancient thing and we can do it, cure it by self, and this is all creating bad to us, taking English medicines that will harm us. It is not good actually. That's what I felt. So I just wanted to add that.
Actually, the doctors who is studying now, they are actually not fed with the of books from pharma industries. If we are stopping allopathy medicines, pharma industry never ever it will grow. First thing. Second thing, as a biologist, you know that I have in the growth of cell, I have mentioned about nutrients as well as the thought. Nutrients, it means the food habits what we have. Why we are going to the food which is going to get deposit in the blood vessels. As a biologist, you know that each and every cell how it acts, and each and every one of us, we won't have the same blood pressure. If we are if we are running, the blood pressure may be different for us. If we are sitting, if we are taking rest, the blood pressure may be different for us, different in that time, right? But if we are taking a tablet, what will do? It will maintain the blood pressure level, and immediately when we are stopping the tablet of blood pressure tablet, what will happen to us? All the cells, it will come and contact immediately because the cell needs more blood. At that time, the blood pressure will be very high. Whatever the thing that we are doing, if we are passing urine, that is not we are actually passing urine. It is a excretory material from each and every cell which is there in our body. And these many days, the blood pressure was suppressed because of tablet. But when immediately when it is stopped, the cell 50,000 trillion cells, it needs blood. So enormous amount of pressure should be there. That is what the blood pressure is. If we are having a proper lifestyle, if we are having an exercise, if we are having a very good food, if we are not going for any junk food, if we are not going for any fatty substances that is there in the food, then why we want to bother about the fat storage in blood vessels?
Okay, that is one way you are saying that we have to take care of our food habits so that we will be good. Yet that is true actually. And
Yeah.
also, if we are saying that we no need of anything, medicines and all, then even if when the age, where the people were taking a good nutritious food also, then also the people suffered from so many diseases like tuberculosis, plague, and many diseases are prevailing. Only with the advancements of medicines, today we are living in a place where there is no other safe because of many diseases. We can now, even now the corona is prevailing, but the condition which we experienced at earlier before the scientific advancement, medical advancement, now we are ready to face those trouble. Okay, we can at least find a solution. So it is not completely bad to depend upon
If we are having a
Okay,
scientific advancement, hello, ma'am, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Move on. Somebody
you
else.
can.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we are having a scientific advancement, why we are in home for past 21 days? If any person is suffering from tuberculosis and we are going for a medicine, then why the person is, when he is stopping a medicine, or when he is having a low immune system, why he is getting again the tuberculosis disease? It is
you are
completely
saying that we
related to
can
our
stop
immune
all those
system. It
taking
is,
medicines, right, sir?
yeah, it
If
is
we are
completely
saying that
related
we
to
can
immune system.
stop all those things.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, next, somebody else.
Yeah, Vijay sir, this is Priya Ilangovan.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, sir, you said about that theta techniques, right?
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, I'm not asking, it's a general question. It's with my experience. I want to clarify a doubt. You said that precautionation that we have to plan in the previous night, that it will be registered in our subconscious mind, that the next day morning we want to wake up at 4 o'clock, it will be registered in your subconscious mind, though we are keeping the alarm. Without alarm we can get up. So
yeah,
but in my case what happens, if I plan something the very next day, I want to wake up by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, I'm not getting proper sleep. Often I'm getting up and checking the time. So due to what reason it is happening? Because it's often happening in my life. though it is the reason I am not believing myself, I'm not believing the alarm. So what is the reason it is happening often? I want to know.
There may be two reasons. Ma'am, there may be two reasons. If
Yes,
you
sir.
are getting disturbed, disturbed sleep, that means you didn't eat well at that night. First thing. That only
Okay.
you can at the anytime you can get up and you will see. And
Sir,
if you are sleeping, just wait, ma'am.
okay,
If you
okay,
are
okay.
sleeping well and if you are not waking up at 4 o'clock, where you have thought the previous night itself, that means we have ate well enough.
Okay.
Stomach full food, so that if whatever we are thinking, that will anything that will not be do, and we will not wake up. I'm talking about the technique that if you are going for a sleep at 10 o'clock, that when you have a proper sleep of 7 hours, and when you are registered, when your subconscious mind is getting registered, then definitely you will wake up at exact time.
So you are telling that it's only based on the food which I have taken in the previous night
Yeah, madam.
and
Food is
the proper
also
sleep.
important. Yeah, proper
Okay.
sleep.
So this is the only major thing it plays role.
Yeah,
Only
ma'am.
the food here. It's not
Food.
related to the mind.
No. I'm saying that if you take food, our digestive system, all brain, it will.
Okay.
It will not have any subconscious effect. That is what I'm saying. So many
Okay.
times you have experienced this.
Okay.
All of
Sir,
us have
okay, then you give me a proper diet. So let me check next time with that whether the same thing is happening or not, because I want to check.
Yeah, madam. I'll give, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. NLP practitioners, they will do more about they will do more about the conscious and subconscious management, NLP practices.
Yeah, next question.
Good evening, sir. Sir, Sandil. Jagadik, sir.
Yeah, sir.
சார் செஷன் நல்லா போச்சு. சில தாட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு எனக்கும் அது ஒத்து போகும். அதாவது அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமா அலோபதி மெடிசன்லாம் எடுத்துக்க மாட்டேன். கொஞ்சம் பிலீவ்னஸ் இருக்கு. நம்ம அதை இது பண்ணாலே போயிடும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு நம்பிக்கை உண்டு. அது நம்மளாலே குணப்படுத்த முடியும் அப்படின்றது இது உண்டு.
ஓகே சார்.
அந்த கருத்துக்கள் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு டவுட் சார். கனவு எதுல இருந்து வருது? கான்சியஸ் மைண்டா சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்டா?
சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் சார்.
ஓகே. அப்போ சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல இருந்து கனவு வருது அப்படின்னா நீங்க வண்டி ஓட்டையில சொன்னீங்க கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல வந்து 95% அவேரா இருக்க முடியாது அப்படின்னீங்க. அப்ப கனவு வரும்போது கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆகணும் இல்லையா?
கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆகாதனால தான் சார் கனவே வருது. 100% கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் வில் பி ஆக்டிவ். கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆனிச்சுன்னா we will be in coma stage. கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் வந்து ஆஃப் ஆகாது. 100% it will be active. subconscious mind it will be active. subconscious mind ஆஃப் ஆனிச்சுன்னா நம்மளுக்கு கனவே வராது.
இல்ல சார், கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆக்டிவா இருந்தா கனவு வரும்ன்றீங்களா? அப்ப
சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆக்டிவா இருந்தா தான் கனவு வரும்.
அப்ப நம்ம கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆகும் தானே? எப்ப சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் வந்து அதோட டியூட்டி எடுத்துக்குதோ, அதோட ஒர்க் செய்ய ஆரம்பிக்குதோ, அப்ப கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆகுமா இல்லையா?
ஆமா, கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆயிரும்.
கான்சியஸ் மைண்டா நீங்க டிரைவ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் வந்து ஆஃப் ஆகுது அப்படின்றது எங்க இடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கல. சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆனிச்சுன்னா நம்மளுக்கு கனவே வராது. நான் சொல்றது கனவு வராது கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் இல்ல, சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்.
சரி, இன்னொரு கூட்டுறதுல எனக்கு இன்னொரு உடன்பாடு அது சரியா தெரியல. சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல இருந்து கனவு வர்றதுக்கு கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் தான் காரணமா இருக்குன்றாங்க. அதை நீங்க எப்படி பாக்குறீங்க? என்னமா சொல்ல வரீங்க?
அதுதான் நான் சொன்னேன், ரிப்பீட்டட் again and again when it is getting repeated. கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல வந்து ஒரு தாட்டை நீங்க கொண்டு வந்துட்டு நான் வந்து இவ்வளவு சம்பாதிக்கணும் கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். அது வந்து சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆகும். சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆனிச்சுன்னா சில விஷயங்கள் நம்மளுக்கு நடந்தது போலவே ஒரு கனவு வரும். அது வந்து சில நேரத்தில் நம்ம எந்திரிச்சு பார்ப்போம், இது ஆல்ரெடி நம்மளுக்கு நடந்திருக்கே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம யோசிப்போம். இட் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட். சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் எப்பயுமே ஆக்டிவ், கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் எப்பயுமே ஆக்டிவ் கிடையாது.
ஈவன் கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் வந்து எப்பயுமே ஆக்டிவேட் இல்ல.
கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் வந்து நீங்க எப்பெல்லாம் ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறீங்களோ அப்ப ஆக்டிவா இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நீங்க வந்து இஃப் யூ ஆர் இன் லவ், அப்ப வந்து நீங்க 100% கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல இருப்பீங்க. இஃப் we are
லவ்னு சொல்லலாமா இல்ல எமோஷனல் திங்கிங்னு சொல்லலாமா சார்?
இல்ல, எமோஷனல் திங்கிங் கிடையாது. லவ் நம்மளுக்கு பிடிச்சதை செய்யும் போது ரொம்ப ஈடுபடுத்திட்டு நம்ம எந்த விதமான கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன் எங்கேயுமே செலுத்தாம நம்ம வந்து ஒரு விஷயத்த பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம் இல்லையா? அப்போ அவர் கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் இஸ் ஃபுல்லி எங்கேஜ். அவர் சப்கான்சியஸ்
ஒருத்தங்க இறந்துட்டாங்க, அவங்க நினைச்சு நம்ம அழுதுகிட்டே இருப்போம். அப்போ கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் அதுவும் ஒர்க் ஆகும் தானே இல்லையா? ஒன்லி ஃபார் நாட் ஹாப்பி மூட். சேட் மூட்ல கூட இது ஒர்க் ஆகும் இல்லையா?
சேட் மூட்ல ஒர்க் ஆகும்.
இல்ல நீங்க ஹாப்பி அப்படினீங்களா, அதனால தான் நான் கேட்டேன். எமோஷனல் ஃபீலிங்ஸ் அப்படினு சொல்லிக்கலாமா?
ஹாப்பி அப்படின்றது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு நான் சொன்னேன்.
ஓகே. சரி சார், இப்ப ஒன்னு நினைச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறோம். இப்ப கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட்ல இருந்து ஃபீட் பண்ண ஒரு திங்க் வந்து சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்டுக்கு வருது அப்படின்றீங்க.
கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் அண்ட் சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்ட் ஆர் நாட் சிமிலர். சப்கான்சியஸ் மைண்டுக்கு ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்றதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் வேணும். பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் ஆக்டிவ் ஒன்லி அப் டு 7 years. 7 yearsக்கு மட்டும் தான் வந்து நம்மளால ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ண முடியும். அதை ரீப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணணும்னா நம்ம நிறைய டெக்னிக் இருக்கு. அந்த டெக்னிக் எல்லாம் சை டெக்னிக் அண்ட் தீட்டா ஹீலிங் வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் த டெக்னிக். சைக்கே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு. மைண்ட்ஃபுல்னஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் விஷுவலைஸ் இமேஜினேஷன் ஒரு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு.
இது எப்படி சார்? இது பேஸ்ட் ஆன் பிரெயின் ஆக்டிவிட்டியா இல்ல பேஸ்ட் ஆன் மெடிடேஷன் ஆக்டிவிட்டியா?
பிரெயின் மூலமா, மெடிடேஷன் மூலமா பிரெயின் ஆக்டிவ் பண்றோம்.
ஓகே சார். இப்ப நீங்க ஏற்கனவே நம்ம ஃபீட் பண்ணது நடக்கும் அப்படின்னீங்க. இப்ப நமக்கு வந்து தோணவே தோணாது இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து ஒரு 4 நாள் கழிச்சு நீங்க ஸ்கூலுக்கு வர மாதிரி கனவு கண்டிருக்கீங்கன்னா அதை நீங்க எப்படி நீங்க கொண்டு வர்றீங்க? எதுல சொல்ல வர்றீங்க? இப்போ ஒரு 10 நாள் இருக்குன்னு, இப்ப மே 3ஆம் தேதி வரைய
உங்க டவுட்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப டீப்பா இருக்கும் போல இருக்கு.
இல்ல சார், எனக்கு அந்த கான்சியஸ் சப்கான்சியஸ் ரொம்ப குழம்பிடுச்சு சார். இவர் சொன்ன ஏற்கனவே இருந்த தெளிவுல வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கூடுதல் தெளிவாகணுமா இல்ல கூடுதல் குழம்பி இருக்கணும்ன்ற ஒரு 2 கட்டான மனநிலையில இருக்கேன் நான்.
இல்ல அது என்னன்னா இப்ப எல்லாரும் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோமா இல்ல, ஏதோ வில் லிமிட்டட். ஓகே, நீங்க நிறைய ஆழமா கேக்குறீங்க, அவரு ஆழமா போறாரு, ரொம்ப டிலே ஆகுது. Okay.
சாரி சார்.
நீ இல்லாட்டி அவர் தனியா போன் அடிச்சிருங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
நீ ராத்திரி அவர் தூங்க நீங்க.
புரியல சார்.
அவரோட சப்கான்ஷியஸ் மைண்ட் நோண்டி எடுத்துங்க.
அந்த அளவுக்குலாம் இல்ல சார்.
ஓகே.
டாபிக் வந்ததுனால கேட்டேன் சார்.
சரி. இல்ல நீங்க அவர் தனியா கேளுங்க. ரெண்டு பேரும் லெங்கியா போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க. யா.
லெங்கியாவா சார்? ஓகே சார்.
Any other questions? Okay. So Karthik, thank you so much for bringing up such an exhaustive subject. It maybe a lot of terminologies, jargons were used. We found it a little difficult to comprehend. But otherwise, I believe you have done a lot of work to prepare this presentation. That was seen very much. And thanks for your wonderful effort. And thanks to all the participants for bearing with such a long lecture. One has to be a little conscious about the time also, because most of the ladies, they might be stuck with the household works too. Okay, but already we are late. Anyway, we have got a guest today with us, our one and only Velpari. If you all remember him, last year he was there for our staff orientation. He's also one of our family friends, so he also has joined. Velpari, on behalf of Agram family, I welcome you.
Thank you, GP. Pleasure to be here.
Definitely, we would like to have you soon when our staff orientation starts, or at least some other time. Even for children, we are planning to do something. Maybe we'll involve you in that. So how is life, Velpari? How is it going on?
Life is full of blessings because people call it as lockdown. I call it as blessing. I enjoy, cherish every moment, doing a lot of research, watching a lot of movies, you know, completely breaking the pattern. So it is nice, really nice.
Wonderful. We are actually just establishing a forum where we just share with one another whatever we know, mutual sharing platform.
Yeah.
So just for that purpose we have used.
Yeah.
Glad that you also joined in this.
Yeah, it's really, you know, great initiative. Great initiative which, you know, shift our subconsciousness towards consciousness. Tendulkar.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, good. I also have a session daily, 3 to 4:30. I'm having a session. Team and, you know, that's being a trainer, you know, that keeps us moving forward and focusing more on health, physiology, physical, physiology, and psychology. These three things I focus during this blessing period, rebooting period.
Very good.
And you are, of course, an inspiration for me towards physical fitness always.
Thank you for joining, Velpari.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Friends,
Thanks, Vijay,
we'll
for
have
the
Mr.
invite.
Velpari's session. Okay, we'll have Velpari's session soon for us. Still, people are remembering what you did for them last year. A lot of raving memories and happy moments. They're all waiting for another occasion like that.
Sure.
Invite us.
Yeah, it will be my pleasure always, as always.
Yes, let's go to the last formality. Vote of thanks.
This is Keertana. I'm waiting.
Can I proceed?
Ma'am?
Yeah, please.
Yes, Keertana, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Social scientists have found that the fastest way to feel happiness is to practice gratitude. A very good evening to one and all. This is Keertana here to give word of thanks on this wonderful day. First of all, my respect and thankfulness is dedicated to Mr. Nyanapandithan, our Honorable Principal, who is the founder of this online collaborative session, which may be quite 45 minutes program daily, but in future, which might be a massive hub for knowledge. We thank you for this wonderful opportunity, sir. My sincere regards to organizers, Ms. Revati and Ms. Ponmala, who is organizing this online collaborative learning session for the past 2 weeks successfully. My appreciation to Ms. Sita ma'am, who wholeheartedly inaugurated the session with a mind-blowing welcome speech. My credit and acknowledgement to Mr. Vijay Karthik, the resource person of today's session on the topic New Me, who shared useful and wonderful session. I hope So every one of us would have a different kind of perspective on mind, conscious and subconscious mind, etc. It's a great esteem for me to thank our spectators who made the session fruitful one. Finally, I would like to end my word of thanks with a thought. I don't want to manage time. I want to own it. I don't want to compete. I want to dominate. I don't want to watch the news. I want to make them. Don't be a spectators. Spectator pay and the players get paid. So my dear friends, I would like to thank each and every one in the session with a small request. We can be spectators today. I believe soon every one of us will be a player on this wonderful platform. Thank you so much.
Well done. Good, good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, well, Body, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
So tomorrow the session will be handled by Mr. Chaitanya.
Oh, beautiful. All the best, Chaitanya. And we also have one session for our students tomorrow evening that will be circulated to all of you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Good night. Thank you all.
Thank you all. Good night.
Vijay sir,
Thank
good
you, sir.
session. Thank you.
Karthik, great work, man.
phone கூட இருந்துச்சுன்னா மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சுட்டு தரேன் பாப்பு